Alright, y'all, so we back at the house. We gotta drop these off because I don't think I told YouTube this, but we had to get a new car, unfortunately. That's for a different video. And we got an SUV now, and the back, and it's not tinted yet. So yeah, we're not finna leave that in the back of the car type. So this kind of made me mad earlier because he definitely ripped this in front of our face. Ripped the box in front of our face, but they didn't have any other nines. Talk about that when we get back a little bit later. But I do need to take pictures of these. So I did want to take a look at them. And damn, Flu Game 12s. Now, I already have the 2016 pair still. I did, in fact, get my size in these in 11.5. I hit on Sneakers and JD online. So I didn't pick these up today. But I will be getting them in hand. But we're going to look at these when we get back to the house. So let me take these pictures of it real quick. And then we're going to get these tints on the car. Then we're going to come back, talk about it, get y'all thoughts and opinions. And yeah, finish the vlog out. All right, so let's go. All right, y'all, so we back at the house now. And we have just dropped off the car, waiting on that to get finished with the tints. But meantime, in between time, we can go ahead and talk about these shoes now. So, like I said earlier, first thing I want to talk about is this pickup experience. Because I showed y'all earlier, and bruh, like fam, like when I tell you, we literally watched the person that brought the shoes from around back and handed to the lady. He was holding it like this. And then I guess his finger slipped and then it just ripped right in front of our face. And we was just like, hold on, fam. Y'all not gonna give it to us like that. Like, y'all can't swap it out for another size in the back for the same size. It was just like, nah, that's our last one. So we had to make a decision. Was we gonna keep it or let them hold it? And I was just like, nah, we gonna go ahead and grab it. It's for the content, you know what I'm saying? But good Lord. But outside of that, the other pair that we have perfectly fine. Which is ironic because this is the pair that I'm sending out to a homie. So, yeah. So, yeah, outside of that, I'm going to set this to the side because I don't want to look at that for showcase purposes. I don't want to show that box. All right, but as you can see, we have the Flu Game 12s, man. Size 9.5 here. That was the second size that we was able to pick up. Regular Nike box. Just do it here on the side, and when you come around here, it says engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletics from around the world. So same box, nothing that we haven't seen before. Granted, this box is really big, by the way. Open it up. You got regular brown paper. Fold it back, you have another layer of white paper. Peel that back, and then you have the shoes. Flu Game 12s. Last time we saw these came out in 2016. We're gonna get into that pair here because I still have my 2016 pair. I was a little skeptical on if I should grab these for a personal, but trust me, I got enough pairs that after I sell all of them, my pair will definitely be cheaper. Might even sell my 2016 pair. Still thinking about it, but yeah, because I don't want to hold on to them until and then they crumble, and then I have to go back and pay resale, which I'm not doing that. We're gonna set the box to the side. We're gonna actually throw that back there, and yeah, Flu Game 12s. The whole sneaker community is in a frenzy right now because of this sneaker today at all the malls. We're gonna break it down, do a quick little breakdown of the shoe. So you have leather all around the entire shoe. This back tab is made out of some type of cloth, but it has the Jumpman logo on this loop that's on the back. On the side here, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Some people may feel like that is an opinion instead of fact, but hey, 23 here on the heel. When we take a look at the outer sole, you have the Jumpman stretching from the bottom to the toe of the shoe with the ball. Traction pod here, traction pod there. You have carbon fiber peeking through on the inside. On the tongue, We have Jumpman on the logo, and TWO with the number 32323, Jordan's number. Y'all know how it goes. And then outside of that, we got Jumpman here on the side plate, as you can see there. And that's pretty much it for Jordan 12s. We all know them, we all seen them before. Classic colorway. Yeah, I was very surprised that these came back because like my pair is still in good condition. Now we took a look at these. Now I gotta show you what my pair look like. So I still got the box, original receipt from Nike. We don't get those anymore. We gonna look at them. Look. So I don't know if the camera can really tell, but this box is ginormous. Now in the 2016 pair, you do get a Jumpman logo. So it's not a Nike check, it's the Jumpman logo. Still got the size tag here, 11.5, black varsity red. Retail price was $190. Y'all remember when we used to have these on the boxes? Yeah, well, we got it here today. So $190 today. These retail at $210, so around like a 9-year price difference. They only went up $20. You know, some may have something to say about that. It'd be nice if we can get Jordan Retros for $190 again, but we know that's far from what's gonna happen. Same saying on the back here, but this box, this box is ginormous. It's really big in comparison. Like, I know this is a size 9, but like it's longer, and it also has more room up top. So 2016, this was a very big box. But when you open it up, back then, when you used to order shoes on Nike, they used to give you these receipts. I don't think it has any like personal information on there, but we don't get these anymore, y'all. Like let me turn this down so you can see it. Like we don't get these anymore, y'all. Like it's very, very rare that you see stuff like this, especially from Nike. So it was nice when this came out. Said congratulations on being the owner of the Air Jordan 12 Retro. And yeah, has Air Jordan 12 Retro, has the style color on there, all that good stuff. Nothing else. Because the shoebox was so big, they had to put like this. I don't know what this is here, like just some filler little rectangular box that's in here so that the shoes don't slide around because the box is ginormous. But y'all take a look at my pair, and granted I've worn these plenty of times. My pair still looks great. Like, could you tell a difference? Honestly, like I personally, in person, the quality, I mean, my leather is worn in, so it is a little bit softer, but like everything else is the exact same. It's probably a little bit of dust. Yeah, that comes off. I mean, the traction pods still look great here. Got a few rock chips in there, but nothing too crazy. But like literally this 2016 pair, it still looks great. That's why I'm like, there's no reason for me to keep the 2023s and these. Now, if I'm gonna be nitpicky, I'd probably say that the snakeskin print on the toe and on the inside has a lot more pebbles built into it than these. So this is kind of like a little softer. I don't know if that's due to time and, you know, the shoe having wear. But as you can see here, this 2016, you see the pebbles there. And then when you come to this one has a lot more. So a lot more details there when it comes to the snakeskin around the toe. That's really the only difference that I can tell. But if I'm walking around with these, if I clean these off real good, nobody's gonna tell if this is a 2016 or 2025 pair. So if this is your first time grabbing them because you never had Fluke Game 12s, congratulations. Look, this shoe is gonna last you a very long time. You take care of them, you're gonna be good to go, like, promise you. Y'all get in the comment section, were you able to pick these up? I know that the resale's kind of crazy right now. I think the way how the sneaker market is kind of shifting is going back to 2020 again, because you had maybe like a 2-year time frame where like Jordans were sitting on shelves, they were discounted at a bunch of retailers. So now they're kind of cutting back on stock because it's like, well, maybe the people don't want these, so we don't want to put all this inventory out there and struggle to sell the sneaker. If you know business, that's how it works, supply and demand, right? So yeah, I think we're coming up on that cycle of sneakers again, which I don't know. So it's either sink or swim now, because it's been easy getting the shoes here in previous years. But after these and the black metallic 5s, normally something like this, if it would have dropped in 2023, 2022, let me see, it's 2025. This would have dropped 2024, early 2024, 2023. This shoe would have not sold out today, y'all. The stock numbers are decreasing. I think it's because they're not making as much pairs. That's the only explanation that I can really give. But I'm no expert. I don't work at Nike. I'm not at the factories, so I don't know, y'all. But outside of that, y'all get in the comment section below. Y'all let me know if y'all picked up a pair of Flu Game 12s today. I keep showing the 2016 pair because you can't really tell a difference. I'm gonna clean these babies off. It has a slight crease, like I promise you. I've worn these a ton of times and there's minimal creasing. Even on the heel, like with something like that would normally show a lot of creasing. No creasing. I've worn these plenty of times. So if you get these, 12s are built like tanks. They're gonna last you a very long time. Obviously this is a 9-year-old shoe and they still look great. But if you beat your shoes up, I don't know. Can't really say the same. How, you know, results may vary. Let's just say that. But yeah, but outside of that, like I said, y'all get in the comment section. Did y'all pick these up today? Are y'all excited for the Cool Grey 9s that are releasing March 14th? I forgot about it in the Galaxy phone video. By the way, if you haven't seen it, go ahead, check that out. I just dropped it yesterday. So Galaxy phones did get those for retail. Blessed for sure. But outside of that, like I said, Cool Grey 9s coming out March 14th. Well, we're gonna be on a cruise for like all of the raffles and stuff, but we may get a pair. We're gonna have to see. Hopefully, no promises. You know what I'm saying? Cool Grey 9s is a great silhouette of the Jordan 9. Great colorway of the Jordan 9. But yeah, it's your boy Moody. I'm gonna check out of here. Let y'all enjoy y'all weekend, man. Hopefully y'all was able to grab a pair of these today. I know that stock was a little bit low, so if you were aspiring to have these because you're a collector, hopefully you can get them for a decent price. Hopefully when pairs come in the mail here around Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, next weekend you can work and negotiate a deal for maybe $250. Who knows? But as always, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below on how you feel about this release. Did you grab them? Did you pass? Do you still have the 2016 pair like I do? And yeah, we're gonna see you in the next video, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. And I'm gone. Peace.